In this video, we will learn how to insert text box in Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the text. Here you get option text box. Just click on it and you can see here the cursor point change. Now just drag it and where you want the text box, just drag there and leave it. This is a text box. Here you can write your text. Just I want to write all is well. Okay, now you can change font size also by selecting the text. Okay, if I and you can fill color also in box text box. You can change the fonts. You can change size of the text box also. Okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.